So I'm discussing about that how you can promoting for website by using for search network option by using Google AdWords. Suppose you have to promote your website. How you can promoting for this? When people will be search your website on Google by using keywords like this. So these are the particular option will be there by using phone number, by using for site link options. These all will be site links in a particular ad. Each Google will be search results based on the keyword. The showing will be header will be 4 ads, footer will be 3 ads. So now will be 3 will be in the footer. Header how many ads will be displayed by only for one ad will be displayed in the header option. So based on the keyword. So how we can promoting this search ads by using for Google AdWords campaign. First of all, go to Google AdWords, click for the new campaign. Select option call is website traffic. Website traffic will be promoting will be search, display, shopping, video, and discover ads. In this, we can go option will be search. Select the website URL. Continue. Next, we can selecting for website traffic. Here, two questions are there. So, what is mean by search network and display network? Display network will be shown to customer any website approved by the Google AdSense. Our website ad is showing for third party website, the show will be like this. Like what we can using for the showing for particular option will be like this. So it is not required only for search network purpose. Only we can using search network purpose. This is a particular search network. Which one are you creating for this? I'm only choosing for search network. So that is called I remove for display option. Display how we can show like this. The display I will be shown to the other websites will be shown as a ad type. Ad given by the Google. Now scroll down where you can promote add your location here. Next will be proper language. Select your audience. Add your budget. How much you can add it? Add by ad budget here. Minimum starting day budget will be 500. So what is it you're looking for? Conversion or clicks or impression share. So we can go for which one? Clicks. Only clicks you want or go with the clicks with the conversion. I'm looking for conversion, not only clicks. People will be click this and the conversion also will be looking for your particular option. So this one. Next, site link extension. What is mean by site link extension? Nothing but if any ad promoting for ad and domain extension, these are the site link extensions will be added by in this option. So here, about contact, any option will be needed add by the site link extension like this. But I'm not adding any site link extension and call out extension. That mean by you can show your phone number in the call out option. So yeah, call extension, so call button option. They show your call button option, just not showing number, they're showing for call button option. Here is the options. So any required will be there at the call button options. Now click for save and continue. Suppose along with you have extension, some option will be there. This option, structure statement, app extension, lead form extension, message extension, promotion extension, price extension, and location extension. We can sharing for location extension also. How we can showing for location extension? So it's not there. We can showing for location extension also. Any ads will be there. We can go to second page. Location extension is not there. No. Here, this is a location extension. We can show along with ad by particular location also. So these are the particular extension. What are the required we can promote by along with the website traffic promotion. What are the extension required? There's a site link, call out, call extension, structure statement, app extension, lead form extension. The form will be created. App is nothing but you can promote your any apps like this Android or iOS. Download no purpose. Next will be message extension and promotion extension, price extension and location extension. Save and continue. Next, the campaign will be structure will be designed like this. First campaign will be done. Next we can go to your ad groups. Campaign structure you can select in daily budget and location, language and particular direction we add by the campaign one. Ad group The purpose of each ad group we can create by n number of keywords. That all will be into the promote your website purpose. Each keyword, the creating campaign will be like this, like campaign for bedroom furniture, beds. This is all will be particular. Each group will be created by keywords. The terminals will be here, keyword, impression, clicks, daily budget, destination URL, landing page, and bidding will be compulsory. We can follow this one. So you want to read the particular total documentation, go to my website. In this, the total documentation will be there, the PPT format. That will be available by in the study material option. Is already added by your first. Click for download and watch for the complete information. So here, add by the keywords. So how many keywords? I'm adding for dummy keywords here. How many keywords add? You can add by all keywords here. Just as I'm showing for each group, we can add by more than 15 keywords we can add. Okay, now save and close. If you want to create another group, you can create another group also there. Go to setup group. You can add by n number of group. Only I'm creating one group is there. You can create another group is there. Here, we can group will be created by a particular option. I'm go to back. So if we can creating for another group, we can create by another group also. So here. So yeah, next you can create by add. Final URL, headline will be there. So what are the headline you can create it? Description. So here, next one you can add it, you can add by or cancel. One ad will be design, edit. So where you can display first of all ad, mobile, desktop, and display. Display will be I'm not created this. Why? Because display will be disable this option. So this ad will be not showing for display option. So the ad will be only showing for the particular three things, desktop and mobile option. If I'm selecting for search option also, they're showing for particular search also. So here, the preview will be confirmation will be where mobile, desktop, and display. So display, I'm disable this option. Include your text, some shortening in the current format here. Compulsory, you can follow this option. Add your create, save, and continue. So when I'm formatting in the particular keywords, there is totally will be depend on the particular matches will be there. What are the matches? The matches will be totally three matches. The matches will be given by the particular ad you can show to the Google search results. The matches will be given exact, broad, and phrase match. Exact, broad, and phrase match. This depend on your ad display by the particular Google search results. How we can show to customer will be like this. With our address extension and the link extension, everything will be there, a particular option. An exact terms and close variation for the exact keyword. When keyword matching for exact your keyword, the ad show to customer will be the Google search results. When phrase will be match, the showing in your Google search results. Broad match any synonyms, related keywords, and other related variation. We can show your Google search will be in the when people will be searching the keyword option. So now continue to campaign where you can add by the particular matches. When coming to this keyword, when your low search volume keywords are there, just you can keep it on the pause. Why? Because it's a low search volume keywords. So when your keyword will be eligible, you can run for the ad in the particular keywords. When low search volume keyword is a waste of time for the running the ads. So when running the keywords time, we have selecting the matches are there, broad, phase and exact match. Which match we can go with? So I can go for phase match and add by the phase match option. Phase match always we can keep on the double quotes. Suppose best customer agencies in Hyderabad. So agencies will be match in Hyderabad will be not match. They show you a particular ad. Why? Because the phase will be match your particular keywords. Next will be best digital marketing companies. So I'm give by the phase keyword. This best customer companies in Hyderabad in US. The keyword will be shown to customer the particular keywords option. So these all matching using for particular keywords. Exact match, phrase match, and broad match. These three will be compulsory using the particular keywords. So this is a running for ads, the particular search network campaign. So compulsory we can follow this one. They're promoting with the phone numbers and site link extension, address, app link extension, message extension. Every option will be there. A particular search network option to promote your website and Google search results option. That is called here. What is showing for simple example? Digital marketing training. What is the matching for? Free digital course. This will be belongs to for broad match option. Digital marketing codes. What is matching for? Broad match. Digital marketing is a broad match option. So coming to the digital marketing training, exact keyword is matching. They show you add in the exact keyword position. That is called here is the results. I'm showing in this particular matches. Here is the dark chocolate bar. Buy dark chocolate. What is the matching for? Dark chocolate. That means by phrase will be match. Sugar free chocolate. Same will be phrase will be match. So government chocolate profile. They will matching for broad match by chocolate. So these are the terms we can know about the broad, exact and phase match. So look into this and promote your website using search network. What the goal will be? Website traffic will be complete. Remember, this will be depend on by conversion, clicks and impression. These three options will be compulsory. We can note and a particular things. So we mostly using for clicks and conversion. Which is the best one? Conversion is the best one to increase the viewers and clicking for website traffic, and the conversion is the more affected by getting for leads. So this is a create a campaign for search network by creating for text ads. That mean by increasing your website traffic and getting for more results and generating for leads also. That mean by clicks and conversion. These I'm creating for things. So anytime you can create the campaign, you can pause the campaign. There's always will be flexible by the your campaign option. So now I'm creating for anytime you can run, anytime will be pause and the particular search network campaign under Google AdWords. So search campaign that is mean by text ad is always possible to by the to run the ads by clicks purpose and clicks with the conversion purpose. So compulsory we can run by the you're looking for lead purpose, compulsory you can go with the clicks and the conversion. So only looking for website click purpose, go with the clicks option to increase the clicks. So this is the we can creating the search network as and using Google AdWords option. So any ad will be we can anytime will be post and anytime will be run. That is called I'm not give the end date for the particular campaign structure.